Hi, I'm Carrie, and this is my 1-minute English diary. Today, I visited the Busan Modern and Contemporary History Museum. I had pre-registered online for a docent tour led by a senior volunteer, and it made the visit even more meaningful. The museum highlights Busan's modern history, from the opening of the port through the Japanese colonial period, the Korean War, rapid industrial growth, and the journey towards democracy. Since I recently started studying Korean history, I wanted to see how Busan's story connects to these turning points. The docent's explanation was full of insight, and I walked away with a richer understanding of my city's past. Thanks for watching Carrie's Diary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!